Number one is diversification. I have been investing since college and now has a good pool of assets of my own. And each year I allocate a portion of my investment to alternative assets. I pick assets that are less correlated to the market, and in a way it hedges my other positions. Now when you look at ATM fund, it is one that has shown sturdy performance historically, and if you look at the data, even during COVID hits and the market tanked, ATM is one that has performed as promised. So this natural hedge is very important to me. The second reason I liked about the ATM fund is cash flow. When making alternative investment, I make sure it is very clear to me whether it's a value play or a cash flow deal, and I tie the return profile to my overall financial goal. Now ATM is clearly a cash flow play. I like the fact that it's monthly distribution and it has a floor on return. In a way, it's like saving money and paying yourself back for a period of time. And when it comes across the payback period, you're just like getting an extra paycheck each month. Now I have only gotten through a few pay periods so far, and they have been punctual and as expected, so I'm hoping the best for the rest of this investment. Last but not least, and probably the most important consideration to me, is tax. My family have a relatively high tax bracket, so when we look at investment, we look at return after tax. Can I fund via my SDIRA? Does the asset qualify for bonus depreciation? Does the asset provide any tax benefit to our overall alternative investment portfolio? These are the questions I ask myself, our deal sponsors for the specific deal that we're looking at, and our tax advisor. And these questions, the answer to these questions make a big difference to the real return you get post-tax. We talked about why I invested in ATM, but this might be the first and foremost reason why I invested in ATM. Is because of Yan. She has been a long-term friend. We both had our master's degree in financial engineering, and we fought our CFA war together in the old days. She's very analytical by nature and very, very, very detail-oriented. There was a time when us and a few other friends meet regularly on real estate opportunities. Her research has always been the most thorough and interesting one, covering all relevant demographics you can think of, and always backed by data and all sorts of correlation analysis. So when she presented the ATM opportunity to me, the first question I asked her was, "Are you in, Yan? Are you in yourself?" And when she said that she's also invested, I was 99% committed then.